Yo, what's up? It's Patrick from Guy in the Cube, and someone posted a comment on one of my videos, and they actually came on the live stream and did a super chat. On the video was, hey, do you need a date table to do time intelligence in Power BI? And the guy was like, oh man, Patrick, that was a great video. I'm doing the exact same thing, but I need you to make 2 changes. And I was like, stay tuned. If you find this for the very first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date from all the videos from both Adam and this guy. Okay, do you need a date table to do time intelligence? No, you don't. But then Cheaton posted a question on that particular video. He was like, hey, this is great. I'm doing the exact same thing, but I need to change 2 things. And I couldn't resist doing a video on it. Okay, now a little disclaimer. If you can use a centralized date table or calendar table, absolutely use it. But in Cheaton's case, he doesn't have one, so he needs to use the auto time intelligence features that's built in the Power BI. And he needed to do 2 things to it. You need a fiscal month column, and you know the auto time intelligence doesn't have that. It just has the built-in fields that it displays. And then they needed to sort those fiscal months from October being the first month and September being the last month. It's like, how do you do it? Well, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So you guys know what I like to do. Enough of all this talking. Let's do what? Let's head over to my laptop. So I have a really simple single table pulled in, and if I go here, you can see here's my auto date time intelligence built in. I want month, and then let's just use any one of these implicit measures, sales amount. So you see how it's sorting from January to February. What Cheaton wanted to do was start October, so October would be the first month and September would be the last month. He's like, how do you do that without having a date table? And I was like, you can, but you should have a date table. But if you don't, let me show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do is add a calculated column. We're going to call this fiscal month. We're going to do format, and we're going to use our order date. Use whichever date you want it to be based on. And then he only wanted it abbreviated, so I'm just going to do 3 M's and click OK. So that's my DAX. So if I go here, you'll see January. If I click this, it's sorted alphabetically. You see how it goes. All right. The next thing he wanted to do was sort this. So I'm going to get rid of this month, and I'm going to add my fiscal month. So the next thing he wanted to do was sort October would be the first month in the list, and September will be the last month. What we need to do is create an additional calculated column. I'm gonna call this fiscal month sort. I'm not gonna bumble through this DAX like a cooking show. I wrote quick DAX that pretty much says, hey, if the month is greater than 9, subtract 9 from it. So October will become 1, November will become 2, December will become 3, and then if it's not greater than 9, add 3 to it. Simple math. Click OK, and you probably can think of many other formulas to do it. And then you'll see, right, January has a 4, but if I sort this ASIN, then you see October at the beginning. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you see September at the end. So the final step is choose fiscal month, go over here to my sort by column, choose fiscal month sort, and voila, October's first, September's last. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Again, if you can use a central date table, you should. If not, there's ways to work around these things. All right, what do you guys think? You got any questions? You got any comments? How are you doing this? Are you doing this different? I'd love to know. Let's continue the conversation. Where? In the comments below. If it's your first time visiting the Guy in the Cube channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like my video, big thumbs up. As always, from Adam and myself, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.